Hello sister, surprise. Happy birthday. Meron akong video kay mapipagmata na ako diri kadlawon pa diri si Kati o wala nag-inform sayo. But anyway, happy birthday sister. Thank you for the friendship sister. Thank you for always being there for me in times of needs. Naadyo ka permanente sa ko ah. I'm so grateful to have you. Salamat kaayo sa tanan-tanan na tabang na mo ang ano sa ko ah. Always remember na arapog ko diri permanente. One call ahead lang pod ko. Then may God bless you more. Amping ka kanuna din ha, especially sa imong health. Ang pingig yun, ang kagwapa bayot, di pasagdan. Then, I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon. I love you, sister. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Lotlot. We wish you good health
and happiness.
See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Lot. Wishing you all the happiness, Ate Lot, good health, and all the best today and always. Enjoy your day, Ate Lot. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Lot! Happy golden birthday! We miss you and we love you. We can't wait to see you from the Philippines with love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Lot. Wishing you all the happiness, Ate Lot, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Mami Lot! Happy birthday!
Happy Lot! Happy birthday!
Wish you good health. Tapos, dili ka na magpasiksik na kay hapit na ka mauli diri sa sa Land of Promise.
Enjoy your day!
Tapos, diet na. Hindi na magminaldita. Ikaw, ano wish mo kay Mami Lot?
Ano?
Wish ka.
Ano?
Release.
For her to have a very happy life.
Laksan mo.
For her to have a very happy life.
Ikaw.
More birthdays to come.
Nawala mo isa ka anak eh, imo mo giampol na dito speakers. Kami na lang upat diri. Tapos Logan.
Logan!
Si
Hey Mami Lotlot, we wish you a very happy birthday and good health and all the happiness. We love you from Belgium. Mwah.
Hello, Mami Lot! Happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your day! And ingat ka dyan! Bye-bye!
From Belgium with love! Happy birthday, Lot!
Happy birthday, Lot! And enjoy your big day. We wish you good health all the time at magpa-sexy ka na. Welcome to the Golden Girls Club and enjoy your big day. See you soon and love you. Mwah chup chup.
Mwah chup chup. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, Tita.
I wish you the best and good health. Kaya mag-take ka ng probiotics for gut health. Just mag-take ka din ng apple cider vinegar na capsules para ma-regulate ang sugar mo. Tsaka, din, vitamin D para mag-boost ang immune system mo. 50 ka na, so, golden. So, gold na dapat ang regalo. Diba? Gold na dapat ang regalo. Okay, golden na good. Happy birthday, Mami. Miss you here. I hope I make you proud. Bye-bye. Ingat dyan.
Hello, ate.
Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday. I love you. I love you so much, ate. Go.
Happy birthday, Ate Lot. Happy 50th birthday. Sana always good health. Love you. Love you.
Hi, Lola there. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, sis Laura there. Ingat ka dyan sa Canada, sis. Love you.